Hey everybody, welcome back. So some of you guys have been questioning the usability of ExpressVPN and whether or not it's really easy to use. Now, so in my opinion, this is the easiest VPN to use in the market. It can be used by your grandma. You can put it in her iPad and her laptop and the smart TV. It's really compatible with most devices. And so you really don't have to worry about that. And using it is really as simple as clicking the on and off button right here. And so let's just say you want to be a little bit more selective when it comes to the servers. Because of course, you need to be if you're trying to access specific content. They have all the recommended servers right here. And you can favorite your favorite servers by just clicking the star next to it. Plus, they're all listed by continent right here, and you can just select the right one. So let's just say I want to connect to the Dallas. I can select it right here and then click the on and off button or just double click Dallas and it will connect to me automatically. So let's just say you want to go to the options. Just to understand what's going on here, simply turn on the kill switch if you want your internet access to completely get cut. If the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, to make sure there are no accidental leaks or anything like that. So this is a very useful tool. It's called the kill switch. However, in ExpressVPN, it's called the network lock. Now we also have split tunneling, which is going to allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. This is a feature that probably a lot of people won't use, but it's very useful if you just set it up. Now, in case, let's just say you want only a handful of applications to be affected by the VPN, leaving the rest of your connection outside the VPN tunnel. You can do that and vice versa. But again, it's really not so necessary unless you have a reason to do it. Now, with regards to the protocols, I would just recommend keeping it on automatic. However, if you're giving it to somebody that can't really operate a VPN or doesn't know anything about operating VPNs, you can keep it on automatic. Otherwise, lightweight is going to be your fastest and most reliable option. And that's what I personally use. So that's basically it. And now you can just connect to ExpressVPN. So if I go to an IP finder, you'll notice that it says I'm in Dallas. Not because I'm in Dallas physically, but because I'm connected to the Dallas server. So I can just go straight back to France if I want to access some French content, refresh the IP finder, and now it will say I'm in France. So it's really that simple. Basically, I would say ExpressVPN is really the best VPN if you're looking for an incredibly easy to use VPN that is super reliable and consistent when it comes to accessing streaming services, protecting you while you're on public Wi-Fi, or when you're torrenting. Also, if you're looking for something that is also incredibly strict when it comes to user data and privacy, ExpressVPN arguably has the best privacy policy in the business because they make sure that they do not collect any user information whatsoever, no matter what the situation is. And so that's basically one of the reasons why I like to recommend ExpressVPN to everybody, not just beginners. Now, as far as the pricing, ExpressVPN gives you 3 plans to choose from. So you have the month at a time plan, which is $12.95 per month, the 6-month plan for $10 a month, or the 12-month plan for $8.32 per month. However, if you use the link in the description down below, you'll get 3 months for free, and so the 12-month plan drops down to $6.67 per month. Now, just out of curiosity, I actually spoke with Express, and they mentioned that a lot of people end up spending more on the monthly renewals than they would have with the yearly plan. Because the typical pattern is that people, renew monthly thinking they don't need it that long. But unfortunately, they end up spending more money than they would have going with the year plan, especially with the discount code we provided down below. So ultimately, if you know that you're not going to need Express for longer than a month, you should definitely get the month plan. But if there's a chance that you might end up using it longer than a month, you might want to go with the year plan, and that if you change your mind or realize you don't need it that long, you can always get a refund and go back to just a month at a time plan. And so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.